All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So drive, drive, yes, drive, drive, yeah. So I like to drive. Oh no, drink, drive. There we are. How cool is that? Yeah, drive. Yeah. So I drive my car. I drive my car. Yeah. They will drive the vans. We're driving together. We're driving together. Yeah. I did not drive my car yesterday. I drove my car a little yesterday. I drove it to the gym and park. Yeah. How cool is that? She is driving her new car now. Yeah. I am not drinking, driving. Driving now. Wait. I'm driving now. Wait. Yeah. Do you know how to drive there? Do you know how to drive there? I think they will drive it here tomorrow. No, drive. There we are. Drive. Drive it here tomorrow, yeah. He will drive his car here with them. So he will drive his car here with them. How cool is that? Yeah. So, yeah, drive. I always drive my car. It is very fun. It is very fun. Yeah. I love driving. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Whoops. Yeah. Yeah. So, can you use drive in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Yeah. And like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.